Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Stay with me, and today we're going to be making strawberry muffins with pecan streusel topping. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And there will be an opportunity to subscribe to the channel at the end of this video. Alright, so start with some fresh strawberries. Wash and stem them and then cut them into small chunks. And you'll need about 2 cups of chopped strawberries. Set them aside until you're ready to add them. And now that I've gathered some ingredients together, let's get right to making this. Start by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a large mixing bowl. Then add half a cup of white sugar. And next add 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients together using a large spoon. Then make a well in the center. Add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Then add 1 large egg and 3/4 cup of milk. And then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir it with a large spoon just until it's moistened. Don't overmix it. It's okay if it's a little bit lumpy. Now add the 2 cups of chopped strawberries that you've already prepared ahead of time. And use the large spoon to fold the strawberries into the batter. Still being careful not to overmix. And you can see the consistency of the batter here. It will be quite thick and it will fall slowly from the spoon. Line your muffin tin with paper muffin cups. Spoon the batter into the prepared muffin tin, filling each cup till almost level to the top. It just leaves a little bit of space for your topping, but also for them to rise a little bit. These are going to be really good, but even better with the streusel topping. So start by chopping some pecans. And you'll need about 1/4 cup of pecans. Start with a medium mixing bowl and add 1/4 cup of flour. Then 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And 1/4 cup of chopped pecans. Then add 2 tablespoons of good quality softened margarine. It's easier just to get your hands in there and mix, but I put gloves on for this because it is a little bit messy. Mix your streusel topping until it's crumbly, and just crumble it over the top of each of the muffins like this. So okay, now it's ready to go in the oven. So you'll place it in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Alright, so the 20 minutes is up. So I'm going to remove the muffins from the oven and then insert a toothpick in the middle and see if it comes out clean. And it does, so they're well baked. So just check it this way, and if it needs a little bit more, you put it back in the oven for a few more minutes. This muffin, with its chunks of strawberries on the inside and delicious pecan streusel topping that gives a little bit of a crunch on the outside, what a delicious flavor combination. So I hope you make this and enjoy it, and until next time, happy eating!